So, the last video I posted so far, the latest video I posted. Holy shnikes! Oh my god, the cicada just fell on bait. But, that's my latest video. But today we're gonna be fishing by myself on the bank, fishing with cicadas. My bait gone. But, and we're gonna see if bass forecast is good, because it says that today's 9, it goes up to a 10, so we should be able to catch a lot of fish. But, sorry for the long intro, but let's get right into it. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 50 subs. We're so close. Pretty sure we're like 30 subs. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. First thing we're doing, we're gonna be fishing with the cicada. Found a dead one right here, and they're crazy. Got the cicada one. Let's catch a fish. These things, you can't even let it hit the water before they get snapped. So we're gonna just take it, cast out. Watch this. Got him! Oh my gosh! Holy crap, that was crazy. You guys had to hear that snap, bro. Holy snap, that's a big bluegill. Just, no! Shoot! Got him! Oh my god! Holy crap, that's crazy! I told you, dude. Right. Ouch! I told you guys. Right when they hit the water, they're gonna eat it. I know it's a bluegill, but look, to my hand. This is my hand. And this is how big that thing is. Dude, that thing is huge. These brims in our pond are huge. Let's get a release. God. That was nuts. Oh, there he is. Ready, guys? Let's catch another one. Let's catch another one. All right, dude, that was crazy, that first catch. So let's make this catch even crazier. You guys, please tell me you guys heard that snap. Oh my god! Right when it hit the water, bro. Good thing I grabbed some extra ones, but it's just the skin. It's not like the whole body. It's like their sheds. But it worked. It's gonna be a lot harder. Yes. Oh my god! 2 fish came at it at once! Holy crap, bro! Holy crap, bro! Holy moly! Please tell me you guys saw that. Oh, shoot! Alright, I'm gonna get this fish off real quick. And then I want to recheck the video. Alright, guys. There's another one. Just got him off. Golly dang. Let me check that video. Please tell me you guys saw the 2 fish jump. I can't really see it, but you have to look very careful if you want to see the 2 fish. But let's fish for some more. Fish just jumped. So far, this 9 is crazy. Let's see if I can cast it right where you guys can see. Oh, got him. Oh, yeah. Good fish. Holy crap, dude. I know these are just brim, but golly day. These fish are loving the cicadas. Ah! Stay. Got another one. It's another big one to my hand. I can find more cicada things. Nope, that one's crushed. Pretty much you just look on the ground for cicadas. But let's go find some more. As you can see, you don't even need like live cicadas. You can just use dead ones. But you ready? Got them. Look at that, bro. Look how easy that is. Cast, catch. Shut up, buddy. Come on, buddy. Please tell me you did not just swallow the hook. Okay. Oh my gosh! The cicada is in his mouth. He didn't even swallow, but I'll let you keep it. I got more. It's literally an infinite amount that I have. Just pull one on. And let's see where, right there maybe. I gotta get attacked. Holy moly. It's the longest it's ever took. Oh! Seated. Got him. Wonder what would happen if I released my drag like a bunch. Probably not a good idea, but we're gonna release my drag a bunch where I don't even have to try. Like these fish aren't even gonna have to try to pull my line. Full drag. But that's the thing, is I'm making the drag super loose. I'm not gonna be able to be like, if it's a big fish, I'm gonna have to be tightening the drag. But you can catch bass with these also. You just need to find the bass. Got him. Got him. That's a super nice one. Dude, I love these fish that have those bright red bellies. Stop bouncing. This guy's a psycho. Let me get him off first. Took a little bit, but I got him off. Nice one. Back in with all your friends. Find another one. Put it on. And cast it. There. I think we've seen it. Oh. Well, they kind of fell off. That was a very loose one, though. Wait, got another one. Alright. You might not see it. Got another one. Alright, so hold on. These fish, I'm not even setting the hook. I'm just reeling it in. They're pretty much setting the hook for me. So you know what I'm gonna do? Golly day, bro. Oh, yellow jacket. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm not doing that, bro. I gotta get this fish, get my phone. And I'm gonna do my phone, add my rod, take it to a new place. There's a yellow jacket thing right there, and I'm allergic to bees. Yellow jackets are wasp, so I'm not doing that. But let's get this fish off. I know he wants to get back in the water. Ready? Got him off. Let's get this bad boy back in there real quick. All right, I'm in a new spot. Oh, that one. That spot over there. Taken by the yellow jackets. There's like 3 over there. And I didn't even see them until I felt something crawl on my leg. Don't know if it stung me or not. But I looked down and it was yellow jacket and I ran. But yellow jacket ain't stopping my fun. We're still catching these things. Now, like I said, I've not been setting the hook. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set the hook. Got him. Didn't even set the hook on that one either. You might hear a loud noise in the background. That's my dad on the combine. He's cutting wheat right now. I'm gonna stay. Wait, what if I try this like a fly fishing? Let down a lot of line, grab it, take that line, and what if I just like do that? Alright. It is out. Repeat. Dude, my bait keeps on falling off the hook. We gotta go back there. There's a lot of fish there. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video off on that catch. But I did try to catch some more. Didn't catch anything off camera. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed fishing with cicadas. I thought that was really fun. Not gone fishing in a while. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that one. But the reason why I'm not fishing with my cousin right now is because he's at the river fishing for cobia and stuff. So when he comes back, we're gonna do a fishing video. But I'm thinking the video we do is a certain like, oh, we only can use this bait, this bait, this bait. We can only use bobbers. We can only use live bait, something like that. Or we can do a find one where we have to find a bait. Like, whatever bait we find, we have to use. We cannot use none out of our tackle boxes. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please help me get to 50 subs. But hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be posting my video, this video right now, and the run with Jack right now. So